Hey guys, good morning. It's Tony. Before I start the video, I did want to say you guys can give me a like, subscribe, and comment. The likes definitely help push my videos out to everybody that is interested in my videos just as much as you guys. And you know, they've been helping out a lot. Like recently, the channel's been growing a lot recently, and it's been super awesome to see it grow from where it was in the beginning of the year to where it is now. So I'm super happy with that. I really did stop posting a bunch, like a couple of months ago, and just recently started posting. So if you guys can give me a like, that'd be fantastic. I'll definitely keep these up every single day. With that being said, let's get started with the SPX, bro. This rally from yesterday. Oh God. For right now, I would have to say, definitely have to be bullish towards the upside. We're going to be closing a bull trigger in the next 5 minutes. So just on that, I'm definitely thinking, the move right now is up. But if there is a top, we are on it now. I mean, if there is an actual top on the SPX, it is now. I've been shorting all of this ever since yesterday. I actually shorted a whole bunch right now here at 408 because, like I said, not only are we at resistance, we are also on this major trend that started back here in January 3rd, right? So this is exactly what I was looking for initially, is for us to actually run up to trend to start my short position here. I actually started it around like 395, right? And I'm still martingaling up to 408. I'll probably call this... I would probably get out of my trades at around 411, 412 and call it a loss, take the L. But as of right now, if there is a top, it's right here. Unfortunately, everything looks extremely bullish still. Everything looks like it's still going to keep pushing. Everything right now does look like it's going, like it looks like you're headed to like 417. It looks like you're going to break this trend, and it looks like you're going to push to 417. In all honesty, that's what it looks like right now. Is that going to happen? I don't know, but the likelihood is extremely high that you actually break trend and keep pushing to 417, come right back down to 407. But because we're on major trend, right? I have to be short. It's just a smart way of doing it, right? So as of right now, I mean, you have this was where the initial drop started back in January, right? This is your initial trend for the SPX, for the SPY. So if we are going to drop from anywhere, it's going to be from here. This is the top, right? And if there is a top anywhere, we're at the top now. What I don't like to see, or let me see if we have any sort of 786. Yeah, so we do have examples of us running towards past 618 and then close to the 786 retracement on on the fibs. Let me see, check this one. This one looks more like a 618. This one again, yeah, you run a little bit past 618. I think where we're at right now is actually like 786 on the fib retracement. So let's see, like here, right there. Yeah, so right now you're definitely a little past that 618. You're getting close to that 7.786 retracement, which is completely fine considering this setup was almost exactly the same thing, our initial drop. And then right now we actually take our very, very first drop to now, we are looking at almost a 0.5 retracement, right? Almost a 0.5. So if this was actually a little bit higher, like 415, it makes more sense for this to actually pop to 415 and then drop, to be honest, because you're not on a major golden fib. But still, like, this is still a trade that I would take every single day, right? And then what I would take is basically this. Even though, again, we look extremely, extremely bullish right now, I'll be completely honest. Like, you look extremely bullish, but this is a trade that I will take every single day, right? And this is a pretty ridiculous R&R. Whoops. So my stops will probably be like around 411, somewhere up here. Somewhere like 411, like that. That's where my stop would probably be. My R&R is 21 to 4. and I'd probably run this. I'd probably extend this out to something ridiculous. Like I don't know when this would hit you, but this is usually what I would take. And as of right now, if I, this is probably, I'm pretty sure this is going to be divergent, right? And I would run this setup like this, and my take profit. Or actually, let me see if I can have a more recent take profit. Did this one hit? Do we have a setup over here for this one? So we actually didn't hit that first target. So I would actually set it up, on that last trending fib. Let's go find some, again, short term, it looks extremely bullish. It looks like it looks like 324 would be the actual setup just by looking at this. So there you go. We do like that. So this is what I would actually, so this is the actual, this is the actual target that I would have. Get rid of all this. This would be my target. It'd be a 31.24 RR, which is kind of ridiculous. And I'm actually in these shorts right now. Like I said, if we're at a top, it's here, right? If not, we're going straight up to like 415 or so. I'll be completely honest. But as of right now, see, look at that. You're just kind of exploding there to the upside, and you're still pushing up, right? And like I said, I would not be surprised to see us actually go straight to 415 from here, which would actually cause a break in trend, obviously. So come up to 415, come back and retest that trend up here, that trend, and then push all the way back up. And then also, we did close a bullish month on the SPX, right? Did close a bullish month on the SPX back in, not ES1, SPX 500. I don't like looking at the ES. There you go. You closed a bullish month for November, right? You haven't closed a perfect entry like this since 2009, right? For the 08 crash, right? Right here. But you actually closed a perfect entry-ish also back here at 1277 before you had a huge drop. So, it's kind of funky right now because the only times that we've actually closed the perfect, again, even back here, like perfect entry on the month doesn't necessarily mean that we're going to keep pushing, right? Because perfect entry you have here, another perfect entry, and then another perfect entry here before you had that initial really hard push to the upside, right? So what's happening right now is, we can definitely see a retrace, but, things look, like I said, things look extremely bullish. Like you have to have an extremely hard retrace from here. And it seems it's likely, right? The fact that you can actually get rejected from this major trend on the daily or actually on the weekly. This is actually the weekly trend from January, right? So again, I'm expecting this to get rejected, and then I'm expecting this to be the top for SPX, because if this is not the top, and if you break this to the upside, you can basically call this is essentially, we're done with the bear market. If you break this trend, you might jump up here to like 416, come back to like 395 or something to like retest, and then push really hard up. And that gap at 374 is gonna stay there forever, or until maybe like the next bear market that we have in the next couple of years. But like I said, if this trend breaks, bear market's over. Right? If that trend breaks, the bear market's done. Like there's no more bear market. And like I said, with Ethereum and then also with everything else, like I still think we're at a pretty good area to drop here, right? So essentially you're retesting this trend that it broke on the daily. More than likely you're going to drop all the way back down to 1073. The same thing with Bitcoin. There's a lot of really weird situations right now where the dollar can be at like the bottom, right? And the dollar is going to be closing a bull trigger in the next hour and 57 minutes. So I'd definitely be shorting everything right now, right? It does look like in the next 2 hours you're going to be closing a bear trigger or a bull trigger. So by roughly 7 o'clock a.m., I would think that this 3 hour closes and you're probably going to push right back up to like 106 knot, right? I would not be surprised. So I'm definitely shorting all of this. My position right now is extremely short, and my account is to say this in the nicest way possible, or I'm down like 6 figures, right? On my Forex account, I'm down like it's definitely 6 figures. But again, right now it's funky, but all signs point to up on the SPX. To be honest, today, especially today, I'd say all signs point to up, or at least to a little bit higher to like maybe 4.9, 4.010 or something. Like I would not be surprised if we go all the way back to like 4.09 and possibly higher than that. But you can also hit this little mini trend at 4.086, get rejected. It's just, personally, I think if there is a top, it's here, like it's now. If we actually do break this trend, bear market is over. I'll see you guys later. Bye bye.